Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can clone or migrate a WordPress website to a new domain on a single click. So after watching this video, you will be able to replicate the entire website to a new domain and you will be able to edit it and manage the both websites separately if you want. So let's start the video. So here you can see that I have just installed a fresh WordPress. So this is a .uk domain that is hosted on Namecheap, and on the other side I have a website which is the .com domain. So this is on a local hosting, so I want to move this website from local hosting to a premium hosting, and also I want to change the domain from .com to .co.uk so I can target the UK brands. So let's move forward with the video and see how we can migrate our website to a new host on a single click. So here existing website, you need to go to the dashboard and here you need to scroll and you need to add a new plugin. So the plugin that I will use and the process I will follow, using that you can migrate your WordPress website on a single click without breaking your website, and also you don't need to download any file and you can avoid a lot of extra work that is required with the other plugins. So here you need to search for backup migration. So follow the exact guide and watch the video complete so that you can migrate your website with ease. So here you need to scroll a bit and this is the plugin. So you need to click on install now. It's a fast and easy method, and so here you can see the plugin is installed. We can click on activate. So here you can click on skip and here you can scroll down and you can go to manage. So just wait a little bit and once it loads, then you will see this thing, and here you can see what will be backed up, and here you can select the files, plugins and themes. You can skip this WordPress installation because it's all same. So here you can check mark everything else in WP content and you can check mark the uploads. So here it will calculate the sizes. Here you can see it is calculating the sizes, and here when you scroll down here you see some other things. So if you want to exclude any files from the migration, then you can do that. And here if you scroll down, you can include or exclude the database. So you need to include the database because it's necessary for the migration unless you are migrating your database manually. And scroll down and here you can see the save button, so you can just click on save, but we have not made any changes yet, so that's not a problem. So here you can see the button create backup now, so you can click on it. So here you can see backup migration plugin is calculating the size of the website. So once it's calculated, you will see the files over here. Like here you can see now the sizes. So now we can click on create backup now, and here you can see it is starting. So here it is saying that we have 435 MB of data, so it depends on the size of your website. So if you are good with it, you can just click on this button. That's all fine, I don't care, create the backup. So this will create a backup, and then we can move this backup to the new website, to the new domain, to the new host, whatever it is. So we can move it to that. So it will provide us a link that we will need to enter in the new website. So we don't need to download this backup. So that's why I really like this plugin and this process. So here if you will click on inspect, on the left side you will see the progress, and here if you will go to networks, here you will see that the progress is being done. So if there will be any error, then you will be able to see that over here and you can debug that by just searching it on the internet. But usually I don't see any errors within this plugin because I migrated websites like 8 to 10 using this plugin and I only faced issue once. So normally it does not have an issue, so we just need to wait, and once this complete I will tell you the next steps. So let's fast forward the video. So here you can see the backup is successful. We can close this, and here you can see the link for that. So we can just click on copy, and now let's go to the new host. So here is the fresh WordPress that we installed, and now let's go to the dashboard, and here just go to plugins and click on add new plugin, and here we need to install the same plugin, backup migration, and here you can install the plugin, click on activate. Here you can skip this, and here you can see that it's loaded. Now we can click on manage and restore backups, and here you can click on super quick migration, and here you can enter the link that you copied and click on restore now. So here you can click on yes, I understand that all existing folders, files and database on this side will be overwritten and destroyed. Okay, so all the data will be transferred to this new website and the existing data on this new website will be overwritten. So click on start restoring. So here it is in progress now. We can again go to inspect and see if any error occurs. So we can debug that by searching and exploring that error. So here you can see the files data transferring. So let's wait a bit. So here you can see that the restore is successful, and we can now close this. Click on done. So now let's visit the website. So here you can see that the website is transferred successfully to the new host. So now if we want, we can close the previous hosting and we can terminate that and close that. So that's it for this video. If you have any question, do let me know. If this process does not work for you, you can go and access this playlist where I have another video using a different method. So you can watch that video. And if you face any issue, do let me know in the comment section. If you want to contact me for any service, you can check out the link provided in the description and you can contact me. So that's it for the video. See you next time.